in this article is the VLookup function. This stands for the vertical lookup that is responsible for looking for a particular value in the leftmost column of a table. It then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. Below are the arguments for the VLookup function. Lookup_value, this is the value that you have to look for in the first column of a table. Table, this indicates the table from which the value is retrieved. Kernel_index, the column in the table from the value is to be retrieved. Range_lookup, optional, true is equal to approximate match, default. False is equal to exact match. We will use the below table to learn how the VLookup function works. If you wanted to find the department to which Stuart belongs, you could use the VLookup function as. Here, a 9 cell has the lookup value, a 2e6 is the table array, 3 is the column index number with information about departments, and 0 is the range lookup.